Ổn định. Yeah, bro, today are solid eh. Supper now, 11 plus already lah, bro. Yeah, okay lah, see how lah. Good. My doorbell ringing again eh. Yeah, I call you back, Move early eh. Just move here eh. Now, if you're like me, whenever you hear the door knock, then you go and check, but nobody is there, then you feel a little bit scared. It's time for you to get the Tapo D230S1 Home Security Camera Kit that has 180 days of battery lifespan, so you can see whatever is happening right outside. Now, the Tapo D230S1 comes with smart AI detection that allows you to identify people, packages, or pets, 2K 5-megapixel video, plus starlight sensor that allows you to enjoy higher quality videos, plus head-to-door view to see whoever's outside. All I need to do now is download the Tapo app and sync my camera kit to my H200 Tapo hub, so I can actually log in and take a look at my microSD card memory storage. I can even see my event log and how many times the doorbell is rang. And I also can go to my camera and see an instant view of outside. It's at night now. I can see how clear it is. Now I can see who is the person that keep pressing my doorbell. I'm gonna catch you in action. Commotion? It's that guy. Oi, you think I don't know you're at my door? Every night you press my doorbell, you think I can't catch you? Now I can see you. Hey, you better run. You like catch you, I tell you. Wow, solid leh. So always know who's there with the Tapo D230S1.